getcha, I'ma get you real good, and I betcha.
It's Megan Thee Stallion.
Once I getcha, you'll be oh so bad.
And
I betcha.
Ow!